my hat back. That's the title of the book that we just read. So now we are going to get ready for our next activity. You're going to think about that part that you like, that you really enjoy it. So while you are thinking about that idea, we need crayons, pencil, and a piece of paper. Okay? So I will see you in a few minutes. Think about that part of the book that you enjoyed. What did you like? I am super ready with my materials. So we have crayons, a pencil, and a piece of paper. And one of the most important parts of this activity is your ideas. So remember that we are thinking about our favorite part of the book. And the book was I Want My Hat Back. I'm going to tell you my favorite part of the book. And it was when Mr. Bear, he was talking to the turtle and he offers some help. So I'm going to draw Mr. Bear and the turtle. You ready? Okay, so here it's my paper and my pencil. So I'm going to say we need his head. And he looks like a very long oval. Let's try to draw a bear. And I have the tiny ears. Eyes. His nose. Mouth. Okay. His arms. Okay. And now his legs. Okay, and I mentioned a turtle, so I'm going to draw a turtle. It's a little bit big, but it looks good. And a tail. Okay, they're not flying. And here is the rock. Okay, very good. So now I'm going to write my idea. Mr. Bear helped the turtle. Very good. So now I'm going to write it down. So remember that you always can use your sound map. Okay, so you can have it very close to you. So you can think about the sounds and look for the letter. So we'll see. Mr. Like monkey. So I'm going to write it down. Mr. Bear. Sounds like baby. Mr. Bear helped helped the turtle. So I'm going to look for turtle. Sounds like turtle, a robot. Turtle. Very good. Oops. And at the end, a period that makes me stop. My name, Lily. Perfect. Now it's time to color it. So I'm going to color Mr. Bear. What color is this one? You're right. This is brown. I'm taking my time to color inside the lines. Ears, arms, the other arm, and then I'm going to color the turtle. I'm going to use the blue. It's not blue, right? What color is this? Yes, it's green. Thank you guys for sending your beautiful pictures. Thank you to Gabriel, Sarai, Kalani, Elias. Thank you guys for doing such a good job. I'm so impressed. Sebastian too. Lexi, Emma. Thank you for working so hard. Okay, here it is. Some more and I am done. Perfect. It looks good. Some grass. And this is my favorite part of the book. Mr. Bear helped the turtle. Have a good afternoon, guys. Bye. Kisses. Now is your turn to tell me your idea. What was your favorite part of the book? See you soon. Bye. Kisses.